I'm having a bad day. It's about time that I get my way. Steamrolling whatever I see. Oh, despicable me. I'm having a bad day. If you take it personal, that's okay. Watch, this is so fun to see. Oh, despicable me.
Cuba, the Soviet Union, and North Korea are threatening missiles.
Let the Lord's light shine upon you. Feel the Spirit. Let it out.
Horrible, horrible things are going to happen! And they're going to happen to you, and you, and you, and you. Oh, Nelly! People of Springfield, heed this warning. Twisted tail, 1,000 eyes, trapped forever!
Dad, do something!
This book doesn't have any answers! Beware! Beware! Time is short! Ipa! 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 Believe me! Believe me!
Event type is civil. The city of Vancouver is under attack, and residents should stay indoors until further notice. The Prime Minister of Canada is planning to speak on all stations eventually, but cannot speak right now as he is in a meeting with other leaders at the moment. The Canadian government has placed a curfew for the entire country that will take place immediately, from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. You must stay indoors. Stay tuned for information about this ongoing war.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Defense and the Seattle Police Department. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported at the docks near the Kingdom and the Alaskan Way Viaduct. A U.S. Air Force aircraft confirmed the presence of 2 regiments of Soviet armored infantry moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Their immediate intention appears to be the capture of Seattle and the surrounding suburbs. If you are in the greater Seattle area, you are required to evacuate immediately. All residents that remain do so at their own risk. The following areas must also evacuate immediately: Western King County and Western Washington, including Seattle and northwestern Pierce County in Western Washington. Suggested evacuation routes are State Highway 99, Interstate 5 and Interstate 405. Other routes may be used as well. Do not carry any firearms or weapons. Do not approach soldiers in a threatening manner. If you must approach, do so with your hands over your head and make no sudden movements. Do not go near unexploded bombs, landmines, artillery shells, or other ordnances. These are dangerous and could explode at any time. Do not attract the attention of low-flying aircraft. Again, at 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported unloading at the docks near the King. They are moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information as this situation develops.
Great. Just great.